Hello, grade 4, how are you? Today we are going to have a new lesson. My lesson is lesson 3.2. It is 3.2 multiplied by 1000. You have a number and you are going to multiply it by 1000. So in my objective in this lesson is to identify the pattern observed when multiplying a whole number by 10, 100, 1000. They will give you us numbers, and we are going to continue the pattern. For example, they started 8 by 1, the answer is 8. 8 by 2, how can I multiply this? You should go to the basic fact. My basic fact is 8 by 1. 8 by 1, the answer is 8. Then you drop the 0. 8 by 100, what is the basic fact? 8 by 1, it's 8. Then you drop 2 zeros. 8 by 1000, it's 8 by 1, then you drop 3 zeros. So look at the product in each one of them. It's 8, 80, 800, 8000. It depends. You are multiplying by what? By 10, by 100, or by 1000, okay? So they said, let's do the rules for these things, okay? Here, they said, what rule do you use when multiplying a whole number by 10, okay? If you are multiplying by 10, how many zeros you will drop? You will drop how many zero? 1 0. When you are multiplying by 100, you are going to drop 2 zeros, and when you are multiplying by 3, you are going to drop 3 0. You multiply 8 by 1, then drop 1 0. 8 by 1, drop, then drop 2 zeros. 8 by 1, 8, and you drop 3 zeros. It depends in with what you are multiplying, okay? Now they said, write the answers for this part. Okay. Here they said, for example, write the answer. They said 3 by 10, 3 by 100, 3 by 1000. You need to continue the pattern. Here you should look at what numbers you are multiplying. You are multiplying 3 by 1, the answer is 3, drop 1 0. 3 by 1, 3, drop 2 zeros. 3 by 1, 3, drop 3 zeros. So the answer is 3000. I need to put comma here, okay? Now here, 6 by 10, what is the rule? Yes, 60, 600, and here will be 6000. Now here, yes, it's 20, 200, and here it will be 2000. Now 9 and you drop 1 0. 9 and you drop 2 zeros. 9 and you drop 3 zeros. So the answer is 9000. Now, so you know how I will solve this. It's very easy. Go to the basic fact, multiply, then drop the zeros depending on you are multiplying by 10, by 100, or by 1000. This was in page 17. Now let's move to page 18, okay? In page 18, they repeat what they said in the first page, and you are going to continue. But in this case, they change. You are not multiplying 1 by, it is by any number. So when you are multiplying, you need to go to the basic fact. You need to go to the basic fact and multiply. For example, this. Here, you will multiply 2 by 3, the answer is 6. So the basic fact is 2 by 3, 6, drop 1 0. 2 by 3, 6, drop 2 zeros. 2 by 3, 6, and you drop 3 zeros. Now here, what you are going to do, as the beginning, you are going to write, to solve the first basic fact. It's a 3 by 3. The answer is what? Yes, it's 9. In this one, you are going to drop 1 0 beside the 9. Here, 2 zeros because you are multiplying by 2. And here, you are going to drop 3 zeros and put the comma. So the answer is 9000. What about this? Yes, you are correct. It's 8, it's 80, it's 800, and this is 8000. Now, let's do this part. 2 by 3, how much is 2 by 3? Yes, it is 6. So this, when you multiply 2 by 300, you will write 6, then you will drop 2 zeros. The basic fact is 2 by 3. The basic fact is 2 by 3, 6, drop 1 0. 2 by 3, 6, and drop 3 zeros. Okay? So write the standard form. Look here, they said write the standard form. They said 3 by 1000. They said 3 by 1000, then 8 by 100, 2 by 10, 5 by 1. And they wrote the expanded form for you, and they want the standard form. They want the standard form for this. Okay, now 3 by 1000, how much? 3000. And here I will write the answers above, 3000. And here how much? It is 800. And here it's 20. And 5 by 1, it's 5. So you need to add all these numbers together. Start with the digit in the thousands, it's a 3. There is no digit, so 3,825. So my number is this, 3,825. Okay, you will do 2 and 3 as a homework, and I will do question 4 now. They did it for you, 6,034. So you will go to the 6, it's in the 1,000 place. So I have 4 digits to write. 6 in the southern, comma. I have 30. 30, this is in the tens, 30. And in the ones, 4. And there is nothing in the hundreds. So what is my number? Can you read it for me? It is 6,034. This is my number. Now, you are going to do question 2 and 3 alone. They write for you the expanded form, and you are going to write the standard form here. Okay? Now, let's go to problems and start reading. One box has 1,000 matches. How many matches are in 8? If I have 8 boxes, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In each one there is 1,000. 1,000. What you are doing? Yes, you are correct. You are repeating. So to know how many in all, what should I do? I should say 1,000 multiply 8. The basic fact is 1 times 8. It's 8. Then you drop 3 zeros. Okay? Now, they said find the cost of 1,000 bags. If bags at 5 riyal each. So if each bag, you are going to pay for it 5 riyal. 5 riyal, 5 riyal. How many bags you have? You have 1,000. So what I am doing, I am repeating. To know how much in all, you need to multiply 1,000 by 5. So the answer will be 5,000. And what is my unit? It will be what? Find the cost. Cost يعني قديش حق. So you are going to write Riyal Saudi. Okay? Here, how many matches? So you will write here matches. You need to write your unit when you solve a problem solving. Okay, now let's go to the last question. If 1 kilogram equal 1,000 gram, هذا بالunit أخذنا إنه ال 1 kilo, how many grams inside? 1,000. How many grams are in 9 kilo? If I have 1 kilo, it is 1,000. If I have another kilo, it is another 1,000. So each time you are repeating 1,000. How many times you are going to repeat 1,000? You are going to repeat 1,000 9 times. So what you are going to write? 9 by 1,000 equal. You will drop 3 zeros, and the basic fact is 9 times 1, 9. So they said the question is how many grams? So I will write here grams. My unit is grams. Okay? If you understand from the problem that you are repeating something, that means that to know the answer, to know the product, I need to multiply. and after multiplying, you need to write your unit. Here I wrote 8,000 match. Here I wrote 5,000 real, and here 9,000 grams. Okay? So only grade 4, you have a question 2 and 3 as a homework in page, it is page 18. In page 18, you have a question number 2 and question number 3 you need to solve. They wrote for you the expanded form. They want it in standard form. Grade 4, until we meet next week. Bye-bye. Maybe next week our will be online together. So I will tell you before. I will write a note for you on Microsoft Teams to prepare yourself and bring your books and your notebook. I hope all of you have notebook instead of the book if you don't have your book. Okay? Until we meet next week. Bye-bye.